Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss fitness function in genetic algorithm, and we will discuss the different methods, roulette wheel method, and tournament selection and rank selection. And in during this lecture we will also discuss hypothesis search space. Fitness function in genetic algorithm. Basically, fitness function is used to determine the individual hypothesis. For individual hypothesis, we use the fitness function. Fitness function defines a fitness landscape over the search space with various points like local maxima, local minima, global maxima, global minima, or plateau, or etc. So, a fitness function is a function that maps candidate solution to real numbers. So, fitness function defines the criteria for ranking the relevant hypothesis and for probabilistically selecting them for inclusion in the next generation population. So goodness for each individual depends on its fitness score. Higher the fitness score, more fit its individual to survive for a longer time. So we use fitness function. So for example, let a word make is a target output and set of other string like cake, make and lay are to approximate it to make to calculate the fitness score by matching each words from make. So there are different words cake, make, cake made and lay are given. So the fitness score of cake is 3 and made is 3 and leg is also 3. So 3 letter match in each of the cases. So basically to determine the individual hypothesis we use the fitness function. So fitness score is 3 for all the given data. We use the probability of selecting hypothesis when we want to determine overall performance rather than the individual one. So probability of H equal to f of I divided by summation of fi, which is known as the fitness proportionate selection or roulette wheel selection. Now in the table, some chromosomes are given with their fitness value. By using the formula we use the percentage. So total value of chromosome value of fitness A is 5. 5 total value is 10. So 5 divided by 10 multiply 100 is 50%. We calculate the fitness percentage of chromosome A is 50% and chromosome B is 20% by using the same formula, and C is 15% and D is 5% and E is 10%. So in the circle, 50% area is covered by A and 20% is covered by B and 15% is covered by C and 5% is covered by D and 10% is covered by A. When the wheel rotate, 50% area is selected by roulette wheel selection of chromosome A. Some other methods are used to determine the fitness. Number one is tournament selection and second one is rank selection. In tournament selection, randomly 2 hypotheses are selected from the current population with some predefined probability. With the most fit hypothesis will be selected with P and with 1 minus P probability. The best fit hypothesis is selected. So in the given tree, suppose there are n population and we have to select the k individuals. So suppose there are 100 population and we have to select the k means 10 individuals. So we create the set of 10 individuals and create the tournament for each, and we get the 10 individual from that particular 10 tournaments. We select the 10 pupil groups and from 10 groups of 10 pupils we select the individual one which have high fitness value. So fitness value is given 7, 8, 6, 5, 3, 1, 7, 5. So 7, 8 which have high fitness value 8, so we have assigned 8, and 6, 3 and 7, and in the next level we select 8 and 7, and the finally level we have selected 8. So this is the final value and we have selected the one person from that particular group. Now the next method is rank based selection. In rank based selection, in the table, chromosome C is represented by chromosome and F is the representation of fitness value. In the previous table we have seen this table also, and the value of A, chromosome A is fitness value is 5, B is 2 and C is 1.5 and D is 0.5 and E is 1. We have selected the rank. Rank is selected by the value which have low value is assigned the rank 1. So the value is 0.5 is the minimum value, so we have assigned the rank 1 here. And next minimum value is 2. Next minimum value is 1, so we have assigned the rank 2. And next value is 1.5, so we assigned the rank 3. And next value is 2, so we have assigned the rank 4. And the last value is 5, we have assigned the rank 5. So now we calculate the rank. Rank divided by sum of the rank multiplied by 100. So for chromosome A, the value is 5, rank is 5, and total rank is 15. So 5 divided by 15 is multiplied by 100 equal to 33.33. So the area covered by this rank is 33.33, and 26.66, 26.66 and 13.66 for the other chromosomes. Now the next topic is hypothesis search space. Basically, genetic algorithm search the hypothesis space in different ways as compared to the neural network. In neural network, we use the backpropagation, but the output is quite similar in genetic algorithm case. So genetic algorithm employ a randomized beam search method to seek a maximally fit hypothesis. Basically, this is quite different from that other learning techniques. This is different from other different learning techniques like neural network and others. Genetic algorithm search moves abruptly, replacing a parent hypothesis by an offspring that may be radically different from the parent. During the hypothesis search space, we have to face one problem that is known as crowding. So in this problem, those have high fitness value are always selected to reproduce. So crowding is the phenomena in which some of the individuals with high fitness than other individuals are selected to reproduce, resulting the copies of this individual are very similar. Individuals take over large fraction of population. So the negative impact of the crowding is that it reduces the diversity of the population. Basically, in hypothesis search space, we use the routed selection method. So one approach is to alter the selection function using criteria such as tournament selection or rank selection in place of fitness proportionate routlet wheel selection. So to reduce the crowding problem, we use tournament selection or rank based selection method in place of routlet wheel selection method. Okay, thank you.